The Holcim Foundation for Sustainable Construction was initiated in 2003 by Holcim Limited as its sole sponsor. The vision of the international building materials group Holcim is building foundations for society's future, based on the conviction that it wants to contribute to sustainable development. Sustainable development is based on the triple bottom line, trying to balance economic growth on the one hand side, environmental performance on the other, and social responsibility as third element. That is exactly the elements that also the Holcim Foundation lives up to. So it makes sense, of course, for a company like Holcim to have a foundation engaged in sustainable construction, showing a step towards sustainable development in all it does, and taking into consideration what a difference that can be made if we improve our footprint globally with regard to construction only a bit. Taken that half of all raw material on this planet goes into construction, half the waste is generated by construction, 30 to 40% of energy use and the same amount of CO2 are directly dependent on the life cycle of buildings on this planet. On the other side, being engaged in sustainable construction also enables Holcim to address stakeholder groups that otherwise are very far away from producers of basic building materials such as cement, concrete, aggregates, asphalt, and so on. So the idea of the foundation is also to bridge the value chain, to reach everybody along the value chain of construction, be it architects, planners, designers, constructors, promoters, investors, and finally, even in some way create a pull by end users wanting sustainable construction and green design. So the idea of the foundation is to support Holcim in its endeavor to balance issues of the triple bottom line, be it with regard to people, our planet, and prosperity of the company.